For this question, what you need to do is write the required interval above the given tonic note. So see if you can figure that one out. So it's write the given interval above the tonic note. And you can see there's 10 up on the board there. See if you can write down your answers. Pause the video, then I'll show you how to answer them correctly. Okay, so the first thing is, you'll note we're on treble, so we can figure out what each note is. All of the notes there were either C, F or G, because for this level that's all we need to know is what a C, F and G scales are all, how they're constructed. So let's go through them. So this one's asking for the third and the bottom notes are G. So third would have been on this line here. This one will be fifth, so the fifth of C is G. So remember, you can work them out from the scale, or you can simply count and go, well, if that note's 1, this line would be 2, this space would be 3, this line would be 4, so that note up there's the fifth. This one's asking for the fourth of F. Now that one is a little bit tricky, because if you remember, for an F scale, the fourth note is B flat, so you need to put a flat there. The third of C is E. The seventh here of G, again a bit of a tricky one, so you go and say, well, I know that's 1, be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 would be up here, which would be the F, but as you remember, G major has an F sharp in it. The third of F is going to be up on this first ledger line, it'll be the A. The second, now when you draw a second, you can't put it right on top, it's got to be just beside, because otherwise the notes would overlap. The sixth one of F will be a D. The eighth of C, now the eighth is another term for an octave, so we'd put a C there. And then the second of G, again, you're going to have to squeeze it just beside it there. So that's how to write those intervals above the given tonic notes.